I'll be making pizza dough with a sourdough starter discard. Now, if you don't know what that is, when you have a sourdough starter, you have to maintain it by regularly feeding it with flour and water. And every time you do that, you end up throwing out a pretty good portion of the starter. So I'm going to be using the portion that would have been thrown out in my pizza dough. And if you don't have a sourdough starter, no worries, because I'm going to include a recipe in the description for both with and without the starter. And you'll make the pizza dough the same way, just leave out the starter.
Start by adding the warm water and yeast to a large bowl. Stir and leave on the counter for a few minutes. Add the sourdough starter if you're using it. Add the flour, and salt. Mix together with either a bench scraper or your hands. Place the dough on a floured surface and knead for 8 minutes. To knead the dough, fold it over itself and then use the heel of your hand to roll the dough away from you. In a large bowl, coat the dough in olive oil. Flatten the dough in the bowl. Cover and let ferment on the counter for 1 hour and 45 minutes. 1 hour before baking, place a pizza stone in the oven. Preheat the oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the dough is done fermenting, divide it in two in the bowl. Each piece should weigh 315 grams. Shape the first piece of dough on a floured surface. Roll out to a 12-inch diameter circle. Wait to shape the second piece of dough until the first pizza is done cooking. Place the dough on a cookie sheet dusted heavily with cornmeal or semolina flour. Add your sauce, vegan cheese, and toppings. Work quickly so the pizza doesn't stick to the peel. Slide the pizza onto the stone. This is best done by quickly sliding the tray in and out at a fairly low angle. Bake for 10 minutes. When the first pizza is done, preheat the oven to 475 again. While the oven is preheating, shape the second piece of dough the same way as the first. Bake the second pizza for 10 minutes.
So I've got a slice of pizza here, so I'm gonna do a quick taste test. I've actually never had pizza with sourdough starter before, so I'm really excited to try this. Yeah, this is super good. It's very light for how thin this crust is. I really like it. And you can definitely taste that sourness from the starter. It's really good. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this recipe as much as I did. Be sure to give this video a like and to subscribe to my channel. And you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca. See you next week.